Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. The quick recovery we expected yesterday turned out to be a letdown. Instead of a bounce, Bitcoin just moved sideways. We are still sitting around 117.7K at the time of recording, with momentum slowly trying to flip to the upside. RSI is at 40. Could we see another rally from Sunday into Monday? Possibly. If we check the 1 hour time frame, the last long entry was triggered at 116.7K, which I personally took and scaled into additional trades. My average entry now sits around 118K. Looking at the 3-day liquidation heat map, we can clearly see that bulls have been opening long positions since Friday. As a result, long liquidation leverage levels are now visible at 116.7K and at 115.9K. Bears, however, are stacking up their liquidation targets above, with clear pressure around 122K. Switching to the 1-week liquidation heat map, we see that the long-term pressure zone between 121K and 124K remains active. I highlighted this in yesterday's video already. What is new, though, is that the level at 115,450 has now started heating up since yesterday. Right now, that is the single hottest level visible on the map. In other news, reports out of Great Britain suggest that Rachel Reeves may approve selling billions worth of seized Bitcoin. The plan is to help plug a £20 billion budget shortfall. The Home Office is developing a custody system for 61,000 Bitcoin and other digital assets seized from criminals, with a current value of at least £5 billion. While this sounds significant, keep in mind that this equals roughly 6 days of Bitcoin ETF inflows at current rates. It is important to put this headline into perspective. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.